Hello everyone, welcome to Learn British English with Deacon Rigo. I'm very happy that you are here. If this is your first lesson, you are in the right place. In this course, we will learn British English step by step. Do not worry if your English is very basic. We will learn together. Please listen carefully, then repeat after me. You can pause the video whenever you need more time. Now, are you ready? Let's begin. Today's lesson, we will learn how to greet someone. We will also learn how to introduce ourselves. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to say your name, your age, and where you live. Let's start with some important words. Listen first, then repeat after me. Hello. Your turn. Hi. Your turn. Good morning. Your turn. Good afternoon. Your turn. Good evening. Your turn. Goodbye. Please. Thank you. Yes. No. Excellent. Now let's use these words in a conversation. Listen carefully. Hello. What is your name? My name is Ravi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Now let's say it together. Hello. What is your name? My name is Ravi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye. Excellent. Now try saying it to yourself. Now we move on to the next section. Reading. Let's read together. Read after me. My name is Ravi. Your turn. I am 12 years old. Your turn. I live in Puducherry. Your turn. I like football. Your turn. Thank you. Very good. Let's read the whole paragraph one more time. My name is Ravi. I am 12 years old. I live in Puducherry. I like football. Now, quick grammar check. Today's English pattern is very simple. I am. Listen. I am Ravi. I am 12 years old. I am happy. Remember, when you talk about yourself, say, I am. Now repeat. I am Ravi. I am happy. I am a student. Excellent. Let's move on to writing. Now it's your turn. Please pause the video and write these 5 sentences. My name is, I am, I live in, I like. Thank you. Take your time. When you finish, come back and continue the lesson. Now we move on to the listening practice. Now listen carefully. Do not read, only listen. My name is Anita. I am 13 years old. I live in Chennai. I like music. Now pause the video and repeat everything you heard. My name is Anita. I am 13 years old. I live in Chennai. I like music. Excellent work. Now we quickly look at the pronunciation practice. Let's practice one important sound. Listen. Hello, help, happy, house. Now repeat. Hello, help, happy, house. Very good. Let's do a quick review. Let's see what you remember. What do we say in the morning? Your turn to write the answer. What do we say when we leave? Write the answer. How do you tell someone your name? Write your answer. Excellent. Now for homework, write 5 sentences about yourself. Read them aloud 3 times. Introduce yourself to a friend in English. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you will become. Excellent. Well done. You have completed your first English lesson. Every day, listen to this lesson again. Repeat the words. Repeat the conversation. Read the paragraph aloud. Little by little, your English will improve. In our next lesson, we will learn how to talk about our family. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to learn British English. Thank you for learning with